Hey everyone, my name is Caitlin Drake and I'm one of the product training coordinators on the product training team here at Wellness Living. In this video, I'm going to show you the new notification controls for canceling appointments when using the Elevate Staff app. This improvement will be accessible by staff who have the override, late cancel, and no-show fees staff role permission. I'm logged into Elevate as a staff member and I received a message today from a client that they need to cancel their appointment for today. Let's go ahead and tap on that appointment. And then I'll select the three-dot icon beside her name. I'll then choose that this is a late cancel because our business policies are set up so that clients have to give us at least 24 hours notice in order to cancel an appointment without a fee. Now we have three parts of this screen to go through. Starting from the top, we have the notifications box, and this is where I can choose to send her a notification through email, SMS, or push. If I select any of these or any combination of them, the appointment canceled by staff notification will be sent to the client. For today, let's send her an email notification just so she has confirmation that I've actually canceled this appointment. Next up, I can decide if I want to charge her a cancellation fee. For today, I'm going to leave this as yes, but of course you could override that if you did not want to charge a fee for this specific situation. And then finally, I can enter in a reason for cancellation. If I enter in a reason for cancellation, it will appear on the appointment cancellation report, so it's easy to locate in the future if you are wondering why this appointment was canceled. Once you're ready, you can click on Update Status, and then just confirm that you want to change this client's status to late cancel, and confirm again that the client will be charged for the session. I'll select I'm sure. And then we're taken back to the schedule where, as you can see, that appointment with Thomas at 10 a.m. for our client was canceled. That's it for our new notification controls on Elevate for canceling appointments. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.